The most valuable advice I received for wealth building came from a millionaire when I was a kid. What he said was, don't worry about earning millions. Focus on the first 100,000 and your wealth will then skyrocket. That first 100K is the toughest for two reasons. Firstly, your earnings power is limited. Compare this to a video game. That individual starts with nowhere near the same power as what he has at the end. Recent studies have actually shown younger individuals have nowhere near the same purchasing power as older individuals due to economic factors. I must admit, the internet does provide unlimited resources regardless of your age or economic factors. Compound interest. The best way I can explain that is the snowball effect. However, this does require significant initial investment to have significant returns. Without reaching that 100,000, it becomes very hard for that snowball to have an effect. Good news, once you do reach that 100,000, compounded interest becomes your ally. This will rapidly grow your wealth. The time it takes to reach each 100,000 diminishes significantly. Now, to achieve your first 100K, take these 6 steps. Number 1, budgeting. This allows you to establish needs and wants. Number 2, invest in ETFs, such as the S&P. This leverages interest for long-term growth. Optimize taxes legally by maximizing write-offs and allowances. Prioritize debt repayments. Prioritize high interest debts rather than low interest debts. Prime example, credit cards. Seek additional revenues of income. Great example of this, a side hustle. Finally, cumulative self-discipline to adhere to these wealth building strategies. Invest early and consistently is always key to success. Even if you forget about these investments, compounded interest can turn 100K into 1 million over 33 years. Embrace these steps, accelerate your journey to financial independence, and let compound interest do the magic. Click the link below for you to be able to speak to me on your path to financial freedom.